In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the high beam light bulb on your Kia Sorento, located on either side of the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. To change the high beam bulb, we're gonna go ahead and locate this cap over here. Go ahead and take it off. Simply twist and pull it out. Now you can see the light bulb. We're gonna go ahead and twist it. Pull it out. And once it's out, we can go ahead and slide it off the socket. Just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the new light bulb. We're gonna go ahead and pay attention to the socket, and we're gonna see that it has this little tab on the side. We want to line up this with the socket, like so. Go ahead and slide it in, and that's what you wanna see. Now we're ready to slide it back into the socket. Now you're gonna twist it to lock it in place. And now we're ready to put the dust cap back on. Line it up and lock it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.